Hello everyone, a special thank you to Cesar in Miami, Florida. Oh, it's so nice saying that. I wish I could deliver these. But anyway, thank you for the purchase of the Oakley 8166 with your Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray lenses with the silver flash mirror, because it gives everyone an opportunity for me to show them how good they look. And if you guys like this, please give us the thumbs up. We never monetize our videos, but the thumbs up will help anyone who's looking for these on YouTube be able to find us a little easier. As I mentioned, Cesar got the Oakley 8166. This is the WheelHouse, size 54. And I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video, to anyone who wants to go to the website and check out all the colors and sizes. It comes with the Oakley case, the hard shell case, the Oakley cleaning cloth / carrying bag. If you don't want to carry around the hard case, you get the demo lenses, and you get the original packets from Zeiss. This is the SmartLife Digi Boost essentially 1.00. They call it the 1000. It's 1.00. You got the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Active Gray with the DuraVision white mirror. Of course, I call it the silver flash, and you'll see why I call it silver and not white. Again, Plano, no power in the right and left lens. He just got the add of 1, the boost of 1. Now, as I mentioned, I'll have a link, but I'm going to tell you, it comes in the 4 colors, 2 sizes, 52 and 54, as seen here. But the polished clear, it comes with a satin black, a gray smoke, and a transparent blue. Somebody, please get the transparent blue. I would love to see that frame and how good that would look. It has the ball joint, the titanium ball joint, no screws in this frame. I've had a surgeon tell me that's the same type of ball joint they do for knee, ankle, and hip surgeries now. Titanium, it'll never rust or corrode. Cool styling on here. It's got the built-in wrap since you can't build it down. In fact, let me show you what it looks like. That's what I mean, the built-in wrap. The temples do not bend down behind the ears like a spatula temple. It goes straight back, but it wraps around the head, and those rubber grips do just that, grips really well. So the polished clear looks amazing. It's got the silver hinges. Wait till you see the silver flash mirror on here. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, all photochromic lenses will get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they'll work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work perfectly is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, having said that, if you have a convertible or a motorcycle, they will darken. Now, when Cesar looks out, he's going to see the dark gray. When everyone looks at him, oh, they're going to see that silver flash mirror. Who's that really handsome guy with the GoPro camera? I guess that's just a mystery in life we'll never know. So, silver mirror, silver hinge. How good does that look? How good does that look? Now, as I was saying about photochromic lenses, all photochromic lenses are temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, these Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside and will get darker in hotter weather. Now, if you live in a hot climate, California, Texas, Louisiana, or Florida, Miami, Florida, like Cesar, or you just want the darkest lens possible, go with the Photofusion Extra Gray. Now, the nice thing about Zeiss versus Essilor will only put the flash mirrors on their extra active lenses like this. Zeiss will do it on the regular Photofusion Gray, Brown, Green, and Blue if you don't want the extra gray. So, the other thing about the Zeiss photochromic lenses, they offer 50% blue light protection while indoors, and they offer over 95% while outside. Now, blue light is emitted from today's electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and more. The number 1 source of blue light on the planet is the sun, the source of life on this planet. So when these are activated, you're going to have 95% protection. You're going to have 100% UVA and UVB protection built into the lenses. The So you can have the maximum protection. The other nice thing about these Zeiss flash mirrors, they come with a back surface DuraVision Sun, back surface anti-glare, so there's no need to purchase any more. UV protection, ballistic protection, blue light protection, anti-glare protection, and a dark lens like this, sunglass lens, will absorb the sun rays. A mirror will reflect it back, making it about 30% darker, which is what Cesar needs in Miami. So essentially, I hate to use air quotes, but it's going to make it darker. Yeah, today it's raining, but unless you have an umbrella, it will feel dry. That's what I feel about air quotes and feelings. Feelings. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Feelings. All right, where's my Morris Albert fans? So, that's it. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Call my partner/apprentice at 919-491-2411. That is Jigsaw, or if you speak Spanish, Yigsaw, Higsaw. But he just set up an international WhatsApp account, so just do a +1 in front of that number. Everyone's welcome to leave a question or comment in the comment section below, and one of us will reply to that. But Cesar in Miami, God, I wish I could personally deliver these to you. I want to get back. I haven't been to Miami in years and loved it. I want to go back. So, but again, thank you. So let me shut up for a minute and go back to my real job, if I have one. The DigiBoost. What that does, it gives you an extra boost of plus power in the bottom. So, guess who turns 40 this year? That's right. Anyone? Millennials. All these people who've been on their phones all the time, and they need that extra plus. So their distance vision is great, but they need a little bit of magnification. That's right, a little bit of magnification, especially late in the day, to see their phones or tablets or computer screens. We have all of our muscles in our body weaken as we age. We have 6 eye muscles, and they're no different. Once you get close to 40, you need a little bit extra magnification here. When we're all young, we could see the hairs on an ant's leg. At age 40, we start playing trombone, trying to find that zone. This will give him an extra 1 diopter of plus power, like +1 reading glasses in the bottom. This is not yet a progressive lens. This is still a SmartLife single vision lens. It just gives you a little bit extra plus power, because at the end of the day, that's when people get eye fatigue. You've been picking up a heavy weight, your 6 eye muscles, and at the end of the day, you just want to set them down. That's what causes eye fatigue. So that's the nice thing about these. In the morning, Cesar may not need these. Later in the day, he'll find, wow, that extra +1 magnification. I know it says 1,000. They're just terrible at decimal points. So, by the way, my PIN number is the last 4 digits of pi. So if anyone wants to hack into my account, just use the last 4 digits of pi, and that's my PIN number for my credit card, bank, all that stuff. So, but the extra +1 power at the bottom, especially late in the day, he's really going to like that, or anyone else who's around 40 and up to about 42, 43. After that, you may, around 45, want to go into a real progressive lens. But this is still a nice way. Still gives you a wider field of view. I don't know if you can see that, where a progressive starts to tighten that corridor down some more. But that's it. So think of it as a starter progressive lens. We're all going to have to go into them. It's not a question of if, but when. We all have to wear them. And yep, I got them too. So I'm wearing a full-fledged progressive. So with about a 2 add, because I always make mine a little bit stronger than necessary. In case I got to tighten a black screw in a black frame, I want to be able to see it. So I always go 1 step stronger than my doctor thinks. But that's it. So again, you know how to reach us: by email, by phone, by WhatsApp, by comment below. Again, Cesar in Miami, thank you for the purchase of the Oakley 8166 in color 02, the polished clear. The larger of the 2 sizes, the 54, with your Zeiss DigiBoost lens with the Photofusion Extra Gray and the silver flash mirror, and with your DigiBoost lens. So that's it. Click on the link above, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.